System 1.
It's me again, Ron. Today's date is November 6th. Yeah, Saturday here in Canada. It's almost 5 o'clock in the afternoon. So we're here in the Toronto, and somebody invited me to interview the kids. They're doing horseback riding now, and I will interview them to teach us how to ride a horseback riding the simple way, or the basic only. Yeah. Nosebleed, guys. Nosebleed.
Hey guys, we are here in our friend's house, and we're gonna feature two kids that wants to share their skills and ability how to ride a horse.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're gonna talk to them soon. Yeah, they're excited actually. They asked us to feature them, so yeah.
Okay.
So for those horse lovers, check this out.
There he is, guys.
There they are.
There they are. Okay. Nosebleed.
Stop saying that.
I'm a Canadian now. Hey.
Hi, Ollie.
There.
So that's Farah.
That is
Farah. And
Lara.
Farah.
Lara. And
Wade and Jordan.
Jordan
And their
and-
friends, Cassius.
Cassius, the little horse.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
She's doing a good horseback riding, eh?
Farah, come over. We want to ask you some questions. Hi, Cassius. Hi. Is that your horse?
Say hi. She's Farah.
Yeah.
So, how old are you, Farah?
10.
10,
What's the
and-
name of your horse? Booger. Nice
How
name.
old is he, or is he?
It's a he.
Yeah. How old is he? The
Ah, it's a her?
A boy.
Oh, it's a boy.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's a boy.
Hi, Booger. Okay. Oh, look at
It's
you.
very. Oh, what to call this? Very tall. Your horse. Oh.
Okay,
You-
show us.
You're really good.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Show the your skills for driving for the horseback riding.
Okay, go.
Okay.
You show us how you get on the horse first.
Yeah.
Okay.
And teach how. Simple.
There you go. So
The
first
basic
what
only.
you do? Up, Booger, Booger, Booger.
Oh.
Oh my God.
Well, stop.
Oh.
Oh, God.
He wants to kick me.
Is it good, Farah? Is he okay?
And that is Jordan. Say hi, Jordan. Okay. How old are you, Jordan?
I'm 11.
11. And that is he too, the horse.
What's his
Is it?
name?
It's
His
May.
name's Dallas.
Dallas.
How old is he?
He's 9.
He's 9 too.
You missed first.
Yeah, I missed the.
Okay, go. You guys go right now.
Yeah.
Like go around them?
Yeah.
I'm not gonna run barrels anymore. I'm getting too excited.
Oh, Dallas?
Yeah.
Oh.
So I can talk around.
The horse are very big.
Yeah.
Oh, really? Yeah. She's a good horse riding.
Oh my God.
Oh, really? Oh, it's amazing. Oh,
Wow, Farah, that is awesome.
oh, really great.
That is fast.
Very fast, eh? Oh, it's coming. How about you, Jordan?
How old is Dallas?
9.
9?
Ah,
Wow.
kanina ko ba yun?
Kanya?
Kanya?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, I think maybe.
pero dito rin. Oh, dali nga. Ang tulad tayo.
Ha?
Bili rin tayo. But I don't know how to ride a horse.
Wade will teach you.
Whoa. Guess what I just did?
What?
Fell off.
Pull up.
Fell
You
off
fell
earlier.
off?
Earlier.
Aww.
Okay, I'll take the other pole and then we'll do dash.
So yan guys, they're 11 and 10 years old. But you see guys, there's good for the horse riding.
Yeah.
Yeah, actually you
And the horse is very big. They know how to control the horses, yeah. So that's why they're lucky. Because their parents is
They can afford.
yeah.
Yeah, they still go to horse lesson as well. So yeah.
Farah is 10, Jordan is 11. But the horse is very the same size, yeah.
Same size.
They're big. Look at that.
Are you guys done?
No, not yet.
Okay.
It's 5 minutes.
How long have you been riding, Jordan?
See?
Wow, nice. Your turn, Farah.
Go!
Wow.
And this is Farah.
It's Farah's turn. Go,
It's your
Farah.
turn, Farah. Go! Holy! Oh, come on!
Oh.
She's really good, eh?
Wow.
Wow!
Oh my God, that's
Be careful!
You are good. My
Yeah,
gosh.
you are good. She's good, eh?
The horse is a little bit excited.
She's good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so.
But they're the same. They know how to control the horse.
Horse, yeah.
Okay. You finish? Say bye. Bye guys. Thank you for the show.
It was nice to see you guys ride.
Please.
Whoa.
Wala siyang YouTube account.
But
They will watch for sure
Yeah.
because it's their video.
yeah. Okay? Ilapit mo. Say bye-bye.
Okay, we're gonna go now, girls.
Okay.
We'll see you next week. Bye, Jordan.
Bye.
Bye, Dallas. Oh my God, it's huge. Farah, we're gonna go. Bye, come here. I want to see Booger.
Say bye.
Bye, Farah. Bye, Booger. It was nice meeting you.
Thank you for the show.
You're so good. You
Yeah.
guys are good.
Bye-bye, guys.
Bye.
We're done na. We're going home na for a short filming, okay?
Yeah, just a short film.
Just
with the
to
girls.
enjoy the kids.
Yeah.
They like to watch her
They want to see
Video.
themselves in YouTube.
in
so.
YouTube. So yun, pauwi na kami.
Bye,
Samahan nyo kami, guys.
So,
What is your name, boy?
Wade.
How old are you?
9.
9. And what
What's the
is
name of
your
his
horse name?
Sky.
Sky.
How old is he? Is he or is she?
She's about 12.
12.
Hi,
Oh,
Sky.
she's oldest than the 2 horses, okay?
Yeah, she's older.
Can you play some?
Can you ride?
Can you ride?
No. You don't want to? Well, at least we met Sky.
Yeah, Sky.
Hi, Sky.
She had her baby like 6 months ago.
Oh, that is
Oh, there's a baby.
is that Ashley's horse before? No.
This was Ferris horse before.
Ah, this was Farah's horse before. Hi, Sky.
Okay.
Who has the baby? Where is her baby?
She's at another one.
How many babies she had? 1, 2.
Yeah, this one.
Just one only. Okay.
I saw you.
Okay. Thank you, Wade.
Thank you. We're gonna see you ride next time, okay?
Just watch my YouTube, okay? On Facebook. Okay.
We're gonna share it with Ashley.
Okay.
You can show your face on the Facebook. On YouTube. You're like an actor, eh? Okay, bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
Hello.
Guys, nag-enjoy sila. Masaya sila. We're happy too.
We're happy.
Yeah, we're happy.
Thank you, Ashley.
Thank you, Ashley. Yun guys, dito ko natatapusin ang aking munting vlog.
English,
please. For English only.
English
Speak
only.
English only, okay?
We have Canadian
Where
viewers.
I will
We're leveling up.
I will done for this video today because only short filming for the kids.
For the
okay?
kids, yes.
So please subscribe to my YouTube channel around TV Pangan, and thank you for the parental guidance.
Yeah.
It
Yeah.
means thank you Ashley and Matt
For
the,
allowing
for
the kids to
kids
be in the
yeah.
to be on YouTube. So
because they are
Minor.
so that's why
we have to ask
we ask permission to.
So everything is good. They're still a little bit shy, but we're gonna do a next video
Okay.
because yeah, they waited for so long, so we didn't had a chance to see how they go up on the horse, how is everything, but it's just a start, right?
She's good at this. Okay, guys.
He's getting better.
Have a good night.
Bye.
I love
Don't
you.
forget to subscribe.
God bless everyone.
God
Bye bye.
System 1.